heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for Mercer County, southwestern Monmouth County, southeastern Somerset County, Middlesex County, until 10:15 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected where the heaviest rains fall. With either frozen or saturated grounds, runoff will be quick to develop. If you reside in an area that is prone to flash flooding, move to higher ground now. If driving, be especially cautious at night, when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Middlesex, Monmouth, and Somerset. Here is the forecast for the KWO 35 listening area. Wind advisory in effect until 4 a.m. Thursday.